If you're looking for a great electric scooter, you're going to want to check this one out. Let's take a closer look. Scooter also comes with this user manual. We're going to get a charger right over here. So you literally just plug it in right over here. So there's a little slot right here. You're just literally going to line this up right over here with the pins, just like that. Put that in. This will go red. You could go up to, so when this is ready to go, it'll be green. You get about 40 miles in a single charge, which is really nice. And then you could go up to 31 miles on this. And you also get this nice little ratchet set over here, so this could be used to tighten everything, get everything put together. This was super easy to assemble. I keep this in my basement, so when I'm ready to get out there and start cruising around, it's super easy. Does not take up a lot of space. I will also fold this down once it's done charging. This way, when I'm ready to use it, it's good to go. Really nice design right over here, which I personally like. It is absolutely awesome. We got wheels over here. So these are 10-inch off-road tires. You got the dual suspension as well. So this is easy to ride on grass, go over curbs, and it's just super smooth on pavement and gravel. We got the back lights over here as well. We got a 100-watt motor as well. I'm going to show you that in a second. Then we come over here, right over here, you'll see here, this is our dashboard. It's super sunny out. The screen does not do that, don't worry. This is where we're going to change. So if you want to go faster, we're going to hit this while hitting this accelerator right over here. These are your hand brakes right over here as well. For this, if you pull this down, the scooter does fold down as well. You want to make sure before you ride that you lock this in. And I'm going to take this for a ride in a second, but to get this started up, you're literally going to hit this right here. And you're going to put these keys right on top there, and then it's going to start up and you will be good to go. So I'm going to show you this thing in action. It's absolutely awesome. This thing is super smooth. Unlike other lightweight commuter scooters that struggle on hills or gravel, this thing absolutely flies. It's a super smooth ride. It's super stable, has great suspension. You got a 1,000-watt motor, can hold up to 330 pounds. Absolutely love this scooter. If you're looking for a great scooter, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.